Mithun here from Team Digit. Today I'll be unboxing a mouse from Cooler Master's Aluminium series. It's the Cooler Master Reaper and it has 8 programmable buttons. It's a right-handed mouse and it features a palm grip. Other than that, it features an 8200 dpi sensor. It's called an Avago 9800, which has been seen in the Roccat Kone XTD, the Roccat Kone Pure, Logitech G600, Steel Series Sensei MLG edition and a few other mice. It's also there in one of Cooler Master's previous mices. So let's start opening it up. So we have a little leaflet that mentions all the parameters. So as I mentioned before, it's a palm design, has the Avago 9800 sensor, 8 programmable buttons, and the switches are Omron. So it says it has a durability that can last for 5 million clicks. The onboard memory is mentioned as 128K on the pamphlet, but on the box it's mentioned 32K, so we don't know what it actually features. We'll figure out later on. The box mentions that the cable is 1.8 meters long, and that's pretty much a standard that we've been seeing in most mice that are coming out these days. The connector is gold plated, the cable is braided. Now let's move on to the buttons. As usual, we have the left and right click. The mouse wheel itself is a button. The DPI increment and decrement. To the left there are 2 more, which on a default scales to your browser forward and backward. Then there's the clutch button, which few mice have been referring to as the sniper mode. If you press it, it defaults to a 200 dpi setting, so it's easier to snipe in FPS games. Other than that, this aluminium plate on the top is removable. It's fairly easy to remove. There's a small rubber hatch at the bottom. Flick that out. You can see a Phillips screw inside. When you remove that, this plate comes off. So you have the option to customize this aluminum backplate. We've seen StarCraft 2 versions and other game versions being painted on, and it looks pretty decent. Other than that, the mouse has 3 skid pads at the bottom. We haven't seen any replacement pads, so don't know about that. Maybe you'd have to purchase it later on. The cable isn't removable, and there is no weight compartment, so no adjustable weights. The palm grip feels fairly good. I predominantly use a palm grip, so I don't feel anything off, but the clutch button is fairly further than what I prefer, and the weight is pretty much on the spot. So that's our preview of the Cooler Master Reaper, CM Storm Reaper. Do look forward to a detailed review online. Thank you.
You can check out the unboxing videos for the rest of the Aluminium series by clicking on the relevant links here.